Are you looking to bring multi-mode fiber into your home, but you don't know whether to pick OM1 or OM5 or something in between? I'm Don from TrueCable, and today we're going to talk about everything you need to know in order to select the right multi-mode fiber for your project. So what is multi-mode fiber?
Multimode fiber has a larger 50-micron glass core, which allows the light to bounce around inside the cable in multiple modes, hence the name. This leads to a weaker signal compared to more recent, thinner 9-micron single-mode fiber.
The multi-mode fiber is going to be better over shorter distances. We often refer to this as campus cable. It's great for LAN applications in the same building. It's capable of pushing 1 gigabit to about 1,800 feet, 10 gigabit to 1,300 feet. Of course, those distances and application speeds will vary depending on the transceiver you're using. Multi-mode may be also less expensive to deploy than single mode in your home. Often not so much having to do with the cost but difference between multi-mode and single mode itself, but the equipment that's needed to transmit data over it. So what are the multi-mode fiber types? They come divided into OMs, which stands for optical multimode, and again we have 1 through 5.
The first one is OM1. It has a 62.5 micron core diameter. It has an orange outer cable jacket color and an 850 nanometer modal bandwidth. It's capable of 1 gigabit per second to 275 meters and 10 gigabit per second speed to 33 meters. The second one is OM2. OM2 has a 50 micron core diameter, an orange outer cable jacket color, and compared to OM1, the maximum distances and speeds have increased. At 850 nanometer modal bandwidth, OM2 is capable of 1 gigabits per second to 550 meters and 10 gigabits per second to 82 meters. The third one is OM3. OM3 has a 50 micron core diameter. The outer cable jacket color is aqua. It is a laser optimized fiber, and at 850 nanometer modal bandwidth, due to the laser optimization, speeds and distances have dramatically increased as follows. OM3 is capable of 1 gigabits per second to 860 meters, 10 gigabits per second to 300 meters, 40 gigabits per second to 100 meters, and 100 gigabits per second to 70 meters. The fourth one is OM4. OM4 has a 50 micron core diameter, and the outer cable jacket color will be seen as either aqua or Erica violet, depending on whether it is following the ISO IEC standard or the NCTIA standard. It is a further laser optimized type of multi-mode fiber. So performance has increased yet again. How much? At 850 nanometer modal bandwidth, speeds and distances have increased as follows. A OM4 is capable of 1 gigabits per second speed to 860 meters, 10 gigabits per second to 400 meters, 40 gigabits per second to 150 meters, and 100 gigabits per second to 100 meters. Next up is OM5. OM5 has a 50 micron core diameter. The cable outer jacket color is seen as green. And just like OM3 and OM4, it is laser optimized. At the 850 nanometer modal bandwidth, the speeds are identical to OM4, which means 1 gigabits per second to 860 meters, 10 gigabits per second to 400 meters, 40 gigabits per second to 150 meters, and 100 gigabits per second to 100 meters. Where the OM5 differs from the previous OM4 is that it's capable of allowing additional specialized transceivers to capture middle modes. In other words, the multi and the multi-mode that was a detractor before is now being harnessed a little bit to provide additional data paths. It is not a technology that has fully been fleshed out or realized as of yet.
Thank you for watching our video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and happy networking.